So I used Apple Wallet and I am here to teach you how to add a gift card to it. This works for Apple gift cards and supported third-party gift cards. So step 1, open your Apple Wallet app and then make sure that you are signed in with your Apple ID and that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Step 2, in the top right corner, tap the plus icon and this is where you add your cards, passes, and gift cards to your wallet. Step 3, if you are adding the Apple gift card, tap the Add Apple gift card. If it's a third-party gift card, choose Add Pass instead. And then step 4, now scan the gift card that you are using your camera or tap the enter code manually. If you have a digital code, once you enter that, Apple will verify it automatically. Step 5, after the verification part, tap Add to Wallet and your gift card will now appear inside Apple Wallet and it's ready to use. Step 6, you can now use the gift card to App Store purchases, subscriptions, Apple services, or supported in-store payments depending on the card type. And this is my final tip. Not all third-party gift cards supports Apple Wallet. If you don't see the option, the card may only work through the store's own app. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.